I'm a northern lass through and through, and this minced beef and potatoes is the epitome of comfort food for me. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by cooking the potatoes. Add 750 grams, which is about £1 10 ounces of baby new potatoes to a large saucepan and cover with cold water. Bring to the boil and then simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until the potatoes are tender. While those potatoes are cooking, add a tablespoon of oil to a large frying pan over a medium-high heat. We're going to add in a large onion that's been peeled and chopped, a finely chopped stick of celery and a peeled and finely chopped carrot, and then fry that together for about 5 minutes, stirring often until slightly softened. Now add in 450 grams, which is about a pound of minced or ground beef, plus a teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Increase the heat to high and cook for about 5 minutes, stirring often and breaking up any large lumps as you go until the beef is nice and brown. Now add in a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and 480 ml or 2 cups of beef stock. Stir it all together, bring to the boil and then simmer for about 5 to 6 minutes until slightly reduced. We're going to thicken the sauce with a cornflour slurry, made up of 2 tablespoons of cornflour mixed with 6 tablespoons of cold water. Stir that into the mince mixture until the liquid is thickened to your liking, and then turn off the heat. By now those potatoes should be cooked, so we want to drain them off and add them back into the pan, along with 2 tablespoons of salted butter, a tablespoon of finely chopped parsley, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Then stir everything together until the butter and parsley coats the potatoes. And now we're ready to serve. Divide the potatoes between plates or bowls and then top with big scoops of that saucy minced beef. I also like to serve mine with some peas and some pickled red cabbage. Beautiful, flavourful comfort food with that gravy-strewn minced beef and those lovely buttery new potatoes. I really hope you enjoy this one. See you next time.